Hey guys, Alicia here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a gift tag. It can be for Christmas, birthday parties, whatever occasion it is. I'm going to show you how to make a simple gift tag. Now, this is just basic, and I will definitely have a lot more in my upcoming Etsy Printables course. That is going to be for beginners, basically to learn the basics. But before I get into this video, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Crafty Bee Designs. Deb, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. So let's just take a look inside her shop. First of all, I love her cover photo, not to mention the typewriter font is my favorite font. Of all beautiful fonts, the typewriter font is my favorite. So when we go down here into her shop, she has everything organized into holiday items and even thank you. So she has Christmas, Thanksgiving, and we've already had Halloween. So she has these items, and she has the printable Thanksgiving place cards, and thank you gift cards, and it looks like she even has some wall art. And this would be a great instant download. You can download this for only $3, put it in a frame for your Thanksgiving guests that are coming, to your home for Thanksgiving. And also I want to mention, with Christmas coming up, we do have the Christmas tags. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up this Christmas tag here. Okay, so she's got this, and it looks like she's using some watercolor flowers on here, and she has this beautifully displayed in a mock-up photo. So I'm going to go ahead and right here she kind of shows some examples. This includes 2 instant downloads, and they are in PDF files. And you can get these for $3.25, and the beauty of it is that you can print as many as you want, and as many as you need. It sure beats going to the store and paying $5 for a bunch of tags, and you don't need quite that many. Or if you need 1,000 of them, you can purchase this for $3.25, and then you can print as many as you need on these tags. And you can get these tags on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below on where to get these tags. You can get them in white and the brown craft. So now she's showing what they look like on a gift. And these are just adorable. Great job, Deb. And then she's showing what it looks like even on another gift, like a wine bottle. And then she's showing all of these, like she's showing these all side by side, like what they look like. And she's got them beautifully displayed on a mock-up photo. And then again, she's showing what it looks like on another gift. This is just so beautifully done. So she's got Be a Crafty Bee. VIP. Be the first to find out about new releases and freebies. So you can sign up here on her website, and I will also leave a link to this in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to go back into her store. And I would like to pull up a different item, and because it is almost Thanksgiving, you can get the printable Thanksgiving tag for wine glasses. And this is just adorable, and she has Happy Thanksgiving. I love this mock-up photo. And for $3.25, you can get this. This includes 1 instant download in a PDF file, and you can print as many as you want. And so she's explaining here that this is a digital download. No physical product will be shipped. For best results, print on cardstock on your printer's highest quality setting. So you can either print them on cardstock, or you can order, I think, like sheets of the tags, and you can have them that way. And so to sign up, be the first to find out about our new releases, sales, and freebies, to sign up here at www.craftybdesigns.com. So just beautifully displayed here. So this is her shop, and she has several different items. These are mostly all seasonal related. She even has napkin rings. She has so many different items to choose from. So I highly recommend, please visit her shop, because she does focus on seasonal items. You might need in a pinch to purchase something from her shop and download it. And not only that, she has excellent prices. Something else I wanted to go into is she also has an account, and she has a store on Zazzle.com. So Crafty Bee Designs. And on here, it looks like she is focusing more on, let's see, she's got 11 followers. Let's go to her products. And once again, now she's got a little bit more different items. You can get doormats. It looks like this is a plate. You can get the baby bodysuits. You can get mugs. And you can also get throw pillows, things for pets, and just so many different items on here. You can get the Christmas cards, Christmas tags. There are just so many items to choose from here. Even if you would like an apron, you can get that. And she has Be Happy on there. So I'm going to leave a link to this also in the description below. Looks like you can even get a candy jar. And she's got these on sale right now, 20% off, using her code, Friend Giving. So she's even got phone cases. It's amazing. Teddy bear. I know it's the winter season, but people who live in the South, like in southern Florida or other places, she even designs flip-flops, notebooks. There are just so many options to choose from on here, and I just absolutely love her designs. This pillow right here is adorable. Up, up, and away. This would be perfect for a nursery, and this is just adorable. So you can visit her shop, and she has it on sale, 20% off using this code. So just wanted to let you know about that. And she also has close to a perfect rating on Zazzle. So just wanted to let you know that I will leave a link to her Etsy shop and also her Zazzle shop. And also I will leave a link to her www.craftybdesigns.com in the description below. So be sure to give her a visit. Okay, so to make a simple gift tag and to keep this video from being so long, all of my YouTube videos are very brief and very short. And the reason why is because most people will not sit through a video that is 30 minutes long. So I've decided to put them all into an online course and organize it a little bit better, which is what I'm going to do. So this is just going to be a very easy sample of what to do. So I am in iPicky.com. And is what you want to do is when you go into iPicky.com, it is 100% free to use. It is a photo editor and also a graphic designer. So right here, I am going to click here on this, and we are going to add labels. So I'm going to find one of these labels that kind of resembles this. Okay, as now is what I'm going to do is I really want to change the color, and I also want to put this on a transparent background. So we're going to go to our background and we're going to fade this to 100% so that it is in a PNG transparent background file. So now I'm going to change the color of this to a solid color, and I actually do want this to be white in color. And I know it's going to be a little bit kind of hard to see. Hopefully you'll be able to see this on here. Actually, I may make this a little bit like of a very light brown. Let me see what I can do. Okay, so I changed the color of this to more of a brown craft just so you can see this and see what I am doing here. So once again, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Now, this is going to be very simple. You can get as creative as you want with this. You can make watercolor wreaths. You can do several different layers. You can do this however you want to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. And I am going to just put "Let It Snow." So I'm going to put "let." And I always like to add the words separately. A lot of times, because when you put them all together, you can't space them how you want. So I'm going to put "let it." I'm actually going to do these in lowercase. And then I'm going to add more text. I will put this one, "Let It Snow." So now is what I need to do is I need to change my font for each one of these. And we're going to also change the color, and I'm going to show you how to make foil shiny looking, how we can cover this and how we can do that. And I'm also going to see if I can find a snowflake to add to this. Something I do whenever I'm choosing a font, I always pause the video for just a second while I'm choosing a font so you do not have to watch me scrolling. So I'm going to do that right now. So I have chosen my font, and now all I want to do is kind of move these around how I would like these to be. And this is why I like doing these separately. Okay, and I would like to add a little snowflake here, and I found some in my clip art. And we can make this a little bit smaller, and I'm wondering, even just kind of tilt it, let it snow. And now we can, you just got to play around with this until you get it exactly how you like it. And also keep in mind, this is just a very basic showing you how to do something. Okay, so now is what I want to do is change the color. And is what I want to do is I want to make this with foil. So I think is what I'm going to do is I have uploaded already. I'm going to take this green foil right here, and I'm going to make this smaller. And I just want to cover up just the snowflake. And I'm turning this around because I kind of like, I don't want this touching that part. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because I like these. It has these dark areas in it right here, and I kind of want more of the lighter color. So all you have to do right here is you're going to go over here where it says normal, and you're going to click lighten, and then it changes the color to this foil. So now for Let It Snow, and I'm going to move this just a little bit, I'm going to use the red foil. And I love this beautiful foil, but these darker areas I'm not liking too much, which is why I will I'll bring it down quite a bit. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and click lighten, and then we have just created a simple tag. Once again, you can get as creative as you want with this. You can make the text smaller and you can add a circle around it and change the color, or you can add a wreath of some sort. This was just a simple design video. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to export this, and I want to export this to the editor. Okay, and the reason that I want to do that, and actually this, okay, so quick correction, you cannot export this to the editor whenever there is digital paper hanging off the edge, because it is going to make it save that. So we're going to have to keep it within the realm here, because this is on a transparent background. So I am going, if this was a solid background, we could easily do that, and then we could go to a site like lunapic.com and just take out the background. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to have to do the best I can. So we're going to take our green foil, and I'm just going to cover this snowflake. And I don't want any of it hanging off of the edge. So we're going to go here and we're going to click lighten. And then now we are going to add our red foil. And make sure that all the words are covered. And then once again, we are going to click lighten. And then there we have a simple tag. And once again, you can get as creative as you want with this. You can do however you want this to be. And you can put as many designs. This is just trying to show you the concept here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. And if you notice, it already defaults to PNG file. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. And I'm just going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. And I'm just going to put Christmas tag. And it's going to save it as a PNG file. So that's how you do that. There are several different ways to do that, by the way. So like I said, you can start out on a blank template, like white, and then you can take the background out later. But when you're using digital foil paper or digital watercolor paper or whatever kind of glitter paper, whatever it is that you're using, you want to make sure that you take the background out so that it is a PNG image. Or you can create a bunch of tags on one page. So there's just so many different ways to do that. So back to the sponsor of this video, Crafty Bee Designs. Thank you so much for sponsoring. I'm going to leave a link to her shop in the description below this video. And I am also going to leave a link to her Zazzle shop that she has, the Crafty Bee. And I'm also going to leave a link to this and also her website. So please make sure you give her a visit, because it is near the holidays and she has some great prices on all of her items and a lot of things on sale. So thank you so much, Deb, for sponsoring this video. Also, I hope this video was helpful to you, and please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. And also feel free to join my Facebook group, Etsy Passive Income. Make sure to answer the 3 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.